Welcome back. It's couponing with Alsande. I got some more Dollar General quick deals for you guys. For the 30th through the 2nd only, it's gonna be 3 days. That's gonna be certain sales, but I'm not gonna focus on that. You can look at the sales for the website on Gigi's website. I'm getting more into the quick deals for the 30th through the 6th, so for the entire week, not just for those 3 days. And remember, DQ equals digital coupon. Scenario 1, we get 3 of the Gain Order Downy 5.7 ounce cent beads. They're 3 for $12 this week. We have a $4 off digital coupon, making it $8. Then scenario 2, we're going to get 2 of the Chic Classic Razors for $4.50 each, making it $9. Take away that $7 digital coupon, makes it $2. Scenario 2.5 of the Chic Razors, we only get 1. We have a $3 off digital coupon. It makes it $1.50 for 1. Alright, Tide Simply is the liquid and the pods are still $2.95 this week. You take away that $1 off digital coupon, makes it $1.95. The Hefty Party Cups, 50 count. It has other things that are as well, but I feel like the cups are the biggest saver. Because they're $3.50, it has a $1 off digital coupon, makes it $2.50. The Charmin Essentials toilet paper 12 pack is $4.95. Take away that $1 off digital coupon, makes it $3.95. The DG Home Essential Prints paper towel 6-pack is $4.95. Take away $1 off digital coupon, it makes it $3.95. Got some buy one get one frees here that I want to show you guys. Also, the Tide Pods 23 to 31 count order 75 ounce liquid is $8.95. We have a $3 off digital coupon, makes it $5.95. The Downy Infusions fabric softener or the bounce dryer sheets are $4.50. We have a $1 off digital coupon, makes it $3.50. We have 2 gains to choose from, whether it's a 26 count or the 51 count. We have a $2 off digital coupon, so choose which way you want to go, and your prices vary. We have some liquids and some things for barbecuing for sale at Dollar General. So either 2 for $4 for Capri Sun or $5 for your charcoal. Also, look at the other food deals it has out there, like the buns, the burgers, sodas, chips, and mayo or Miracle Whip. Alright, and that's all for the Dollar General quick deals. I'll try to make a quick video for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Couponing with Alsande.